Good gravy! Google dropped some information bombs at today's I/O conference. We're going to summarize it for you as best we can, so hold on to your Androids.
Engineered to handle the most demanding networks, ultimate power, uncompromised speed. Meet the Linksys WRT 1900 AC.
Yep, there's a lot of info, so this is gonna be a lightning round. Google took the wraps off the next version of Android, which is still just called L. Everybody thought it might be Lollipop or Licorice, but by the end of the keynote, they still hadn't revealed its actual name, if it has one at all. Anyways, Google has redesigned the UI using what they call material design. It basically takes the recent trend of flat design and adds 3D context in the form of contextual seams and shadows with smooth, colorful animations throughout. Android now features enhanced notifications, which are ordered by importance rather than date and are accessible right from the lock screen. Important notifications like calls will also pop up over whatever app you're using, and you can either swipe it away or address it right there. It's also got personal unlocking. If your phone detects your smartwatch, it won't require a code, whereas a would-be thief would be locked out without your PIN. The recent apps feature of Android is now integrated with Chrome tabs, so you can go right to a specific Chrome tab or another app from the Recents screen. And Google Search is a lot smarter. It can give you results for specific instances in an app. Android L now runs entirely on Google's own Android Runtime, or ART, rather than Dalvik, which gives it a 2x performance boost, makes it more memory efficient, and enables compatibility with 64-bit. Graphics on Android are getting a boost with the Android Extension Pack. They said they wanted to run comparable features to DirectX 11 on PC, like tessellation, geometry shaders, computer shaders, and ASTC texture compression. Can your phone run Crysis? Battery Historian is a feature that allows you to see what apps were using how much power at what time, and Android now also has a built-in battery saver feature that was previously only added by third parties. Security is also getting a boost with better malware protection and the ability to remotely factory reset your phone. Android One is a program to which vendors can apply in order to make high-quality, affordable phones running stock Android. They'll get OS updates right away, just like Nexus devices, and it looks like this is geared towards global emerging markets. On to Android Wear. The Googlers revealed Samsung's rumored Android Wear device, the Gear Live. That and LG's G Watch are available today on the Play Store, with the Moto 360 coming later this summer. I want it now. And wouldn't you know it, everyone attending the conference got either a G Watch or a Gear Live free, and they're getting a Moto 360 when it comes out. Now, they also showed off the Android Wear UI, which is based on swiping various cards. The basic interface is basically Google Now on a watch. You can use a wearable as a remote control for music or for other apps as well. Move between different steps in a recipe app, for instance, and your phone will follow along. And if you install an app on your phone that has a wearable component, that will automatically be installed on your wearable. Android in cars! Android Auto will basically be a custom UI for cars running Android. Your phone can connect to it and be manipulated by the car's built-in controls. 25 car brands have signed up to use Android Auto, and those cars will be coming later this year. Android in TVs! Android TV is a UI that will be in a number of living room devices. It's obviously voice search enabled and is able to use your phone and smartwatch as a remote. You can play Android games on screen with local multiplayer and cast content from Android devices to the TV just like Chromecast. All 2015 smart TVs from Sony and Sharp will run Android TV, and Razer is making a micro console running the OS that will be particularly geared towards gaming. It's scheduled to release this fall, and I definitely cannot wait to get my hands on that device. If it's got the same slick design as their laptops, it'll be pretty awesome. Speaking of Chromecast, that device now supports Android screen mirroring. Sweet. You can also choose what to display when Chromecast is idle using Backdrop, including your own photos pleasing grandmas everywhere. And you no longer have to be on the same Wi-Fi network to cast, you just need the pin displayed on the TV. Next, the presenters talked about Chromebooks. They'll also have contextual unlocking if they detect other devices, and you can use Android apps in Chrome OS. In Drive, you can now natively edit Office documents without converting to Google Docs, and you can also encrypt your Drive data on the server. There was an interesting point in the conference when they were talking about cloud developer features, and some dude started yelling that Google was building killer robots, so that was cool. He got escorted out. Google then announced Google Fit, a set of APIs to manage fitness data from multiple devices so developers can use it for their apps. Nike, HTC, Motorola, LG, Adidas, Asus, and more are making devices compatible with Google Fit. Whew! Is that it? Oh, and Google Play games will also have game profiles, saved game progress, and extra time-based quests for different games. Okay, that's it? Is that it? All right, hit the links below for more info on today's Android news. That's it for Netlinked Daily, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this from NCIX. I'm gonna go pass out now. I want a Moto 360.